U.S. cold storage turn unsold food into energy and fertilizer. Divert and United States Cold Storage, U.S. Cold, have processed more than 2.5 million pounds of unsold food and beverage products from 7 California facilities during the first 15 months of their partnership. Instead of sending the material to landfills, the companies converted it into renewable natural gas, agricultural fertilizer, and recovered water. The initiative demonstrates how cold storage and logistics operators can use food waste diversion technologies to support sustainability targets, reduce emissions, and meet evolving requirements for organic waste management. Refrigeration Technologies secures 5th consecutive Inc. 5000 ranking. Refrigeration Technologies has been named to the 2026 Inc. 5000 list of America's fastest-growing private companies, marking its 5th consecutive appearance on the ranking. The HVAC&R chemical solutions provider ranked number 3,590 nationally and number 110 among manufacturing companies. The company also placed number 202 in the Los Angeles, Long Beach, Anaheim metropolitan area and number 489 among California companies. The recognition reflects the company's continued revenue growth, product development, and expanding presence across the HVAC&R and plumbing industries. Samsung invests in new HVAC production line in Korea. Samsung Electronics announced that it will establish a Flecht Group HVAC production line in Korea to target the rapidly growing HVAC market, including the production of advanced cooling solutions for AI data centers. Thermogenics expands boiler parts network through acquisition. Thermogenics has acquired Louisville, Kentucky-based Halmar Boiler Parts, expanding its manufacturing and distribution network for boiler replacement components across North America. The acquisition adds Halmar's production and distribution facility, extensive aftermarket parts inventory, and same-day shipping capabilities to Thermogenics' existing operations. Halmar has supplied OEM and aftermarket boiler parts for more than 7 decades, serving boiler service companies across the United States and Canada. The transaction is expected to strengthen Thermogenics' ability to provide replacement components and support for mission-critical boiler systems. Bosch promotes multi-technology approach for buildings. Bosch Home Comfort Group is promoting a multi-technology approach to support the energy transition across new and existing buildings. The strategy combines technologies including heat pumps, hydrogen-ready boilers, and hybrid systems, allowing solutions to be selected according to building characteristics, climate comfort requirements, and investment considerations. Bosch argues that a combination of technologies can address the very challenges of the building stock, where inefficient insulation, aging heating systems, and dependence on fossil fuels continue to contribute significantly to greenhouse gas emissions.